We're going to incorporate a microphone into this next scene that we call sound effects. Here's what we're going to do. What is your name?
Kim.
Kim, you're going to take this microphone and provide all the sound effects for Tommy and myself.
Wow.
Yes. So I asked for a very brave person.
No pressure.
No pressure whatsoever.
Not at all.
But we're going to call out for some sound effects, and hopefully you will provide them for it. So if you say, hey, look, Tom, there's a cat right there. Beautiful.
Awesome.
Oh, it's the cops.
Obviously, they're taking a piss break.
This is going to work swimmingly. Alrighty, so we are secret agents, and we have to do something, but we're not going to do those real, guns and the parachutes, everything. We're going to do like an everyday activity, but we're going to treat it like we're secret agents. So, audience, what is the everyday activity that we're doing?
Making copies.
Making the bed? Making the bed, okay. Huh? Laundry? Anybody else? Anything outside the house? Besides strip club?
Grocery
Yeah,
shopping.
besides strip club and porn. Get those.
Grocery shopping.
Church.
Washing the car, love it! All right, we're gonna wash the car as secret agents. Here we go. Don't sign. Hey. Oh,
Sorry.
Hey, get back over there. You're not supposed to make any sounds. Kim's gonna make all the sounds.
Larry!
I'm sleeping. Can't you hear me snoring, Tom? You know what?
Why is it coming from over there?
I'm a snore thrower. All right, I'm up. What?
We slept way too late, man.
Oh my God, we gotta.
It's 11:30. We gotta wash Dad's car by 1, or he's gonna freaking kill us.
We have the worst dad ever. He wants us to mow the lawn. Now he wants us to wash the car. God damn it, Dad. All right, let's put our super suits on.
Wait a minute, I gotta hang on. All right. Shouldn't have had Mexican.
Okay. Yeah, make sure you
Oh man, sorry. I just gonna have to stay
just
there.
leave it in there.
Okay.
All right, we got all this stuff to wash the car.
Buckets, water.
Okay, I'll get the water.
I got the bucket. I'm flying to you, Larry.
Need a lot of water. All right.
It's funny water.
Yeah, this water's laughing at me.
I know. Okay.
All right, I'm gonna put it down very gingerly.
That's not gingerly.
All right,
Okay.
I gotta bring the car by.
All right.
Damn it, my dad left the radio on in here again. All right. Fucking hybrids.
Slow down, too.
All right, ready, Tom.
All right.
Hold on, let me get out.
Nice. All right. All right. Sponges. Water. It's a good thing this is a silent car.
I know. Hybrids. Oh, wait, you know what, Tom? Let's put on some music.
Okay.
Working at the car wash.
That station's gay.
Oh, come on!
No, let's put on some rock. Some rock.
Some rock music,
Now
let's
I
go.
have to tell the radio what to play.
Oh, yeah, they're playing the same song, yeah! It's an all-gay weekend on this rock station, yeah!
Freaking Taylor Swift.
All right.
Freaking everywhere.
All right, Dad's gonna be home in 5 minutes. Let's hurry up and get the hose. Oh, the hurricane's coming. The hurricane's here, Tom. Hurry up. Tom!
I feel like Ghostbusters, but
Oh,
only
it must be
funnier.
the eye. It must be the eye. Oh my God, it's a tornado! Tom! Sorry, Tom. I'm sorry. I pissed all over you. I get scared. I'm sorry.
Too, man. Sorry. Oh, man. That looks great, though.
I know. Dang, it's nice. That's clean.
Must be a Chinese car.
Hey, you know what I've always wanted to do? Put my head through a car window.
Is. Know what I always wanted to do?
What?
Punch an airbag. Man, I peed myself again. Come on! That's my wife's answer to
You
everything.
know, Tom, I've always hated this car. And the neighbor's house.
Oh, you know what I just realized?
Oh my God, they got guns.
You know what I just realized?
What?
Dad's car's right there.